welcome back to the Scoop Sisters.
Okay, Malali, how often do you give gifts to people?
I try my level best to give it mostly until and unless I am very much broke and I have my people's limited for gifting everyone except you.
Anyways, so for all the people except me, what are the kind of gifts that you typically consider gifting to people?
Mostly like from my close people, everyone has the specific choices. Like someone prefer food over anything, so for them food is always the best option. For someone it's a soft toy. Someone it would be a jewelry. That's like everyone has their own preferences.
So, for example, these are like more generic, right? So, keeping our generation in mind, and what kind of gifts we give to people, what are some specific things that you think you can give to people that they would be like, wow, this is so cute?
I think for every generation, like not only for our generation, coming back from like 60s to like the next 60 years and next 100 years, I think everything that will be like handmade, it carries a different kind of love and affection. So like that would be like the best gift.
True. Talking about handmade, have you ever considered gifting crochet or yarn items to anybody?
Absolutely.
Have you gifted anybody?
No, I think the first time I will gift it to is myself. Self-love first. So, like, we often hear that every stitch tells a story. And today, we have someone who's like weaving dreams one loop at a time. She's just 22, juggling her studies, managing clients, managing Instagram. So today, we have Devarati with us today.
Welcome
Thank
to
you.
the Scoop Sisters,
Thank
Devarati.
you. So hi, and hi. I'm Devarati. I'm 22-year girl who is doing a small business with her mom called Yarn Basket and following her passion. And that's it.
Lovely.
That's amazing, Devarati. So everybody, people have hobbies, okay,
Yes.
and pursuing your hobby as a business, are you doing this full time?
Yes. For now, I'm doing it for full time. Yeah.
So how did that happen? Converting your hobby into a business?
Okay. So today only, when I was coming to Mannadi's home, one auntie told me that you are doing some crochet item, right? So I'm doing a love granny square. So she
Saw
said
it.
that, yeah. So after that, she told me that you are doing a handmade job, right? So how you are managing this by
Yourself.
yeah. So I told her that मैं और मेरा मम्मी ये सब हैंडल करते हैं, तो उन्होंने बोला कि अभी जो हैंडक्राफ्टी थिंग्स है ना, वो बहुत लोग फॉलो नहीं करते, बट बहुत लोग है जो बहुत पसंद करते हैं. सो इन 2027, yeah, 2017, I was making a muffler for my father. So from then it has started and it's going good for now.
So like the journey has been from 2017 to 2025.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of years
Yes,
you're doing this. Yeah.
And it's going too good.
Like do you in general enjoy this whole process of crocheting?
Like sometimes I get tired, like when I have to awake for 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. night. 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. night. So I got tired, but I do enjoy this.
Yeah.
Like you love the outcome that is there.
Yes.
It keeps you going, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
Hard work pays off. So like Devarati, like you are now 22 years old. Like people now know you as a businesswoman. So how does it feels to like hear like a businesswoman?
Yeah.
Like it's not a cakewalk for me from very past. So there are some
Ups and
people, some people who supported me throughout. Like still they are supporting me, and I have to take a few names like my ma baba, like my best friend, my friends has supported me a lot. Like from 2019, they are supporting me in every aspect. So when I started my crochet work, they supported me as well. So yeah, that's
So
all.
it feels a little overwhelming, no? Having so
Yeah.
many people support all around.
When you are doing something and people are supporting your work, or if you are like doing a job, if you are getting that support from anyone, so it will make you overwhelmed, like any aspect, right? So
Absolutely, like when you have like so much people around you to like support you, it's become so easy for you to like take a
Yeah.
risk,
so true.
and like
You
everything
always
nowadays
have
is
the
about risk.
safety net to fall back on. So have you ever faced any sort of like obstruction or any sort of restriction from anybody around you?
I don't think so. Like for every job, you have people who will criticize you, no matter what. What are you doing? What are you wearing? They will criticize you. So in my business, I didn't face any that criticism. Like uh, I always get love from people. Like they are cheering me and telling that you are doing it so gracefully and doing it so fast and so beautifully. Like I'm always got overwhelmed by hear them.
Hearing
So
them, their warm comments.
yes,
So mostly Devarathi, when we hear about like crocheting, the first thing that came into our mind is like those special moments with our like grandparents. Mostly like crocheting thing is more like connected to our like
Yes.
grandparents,
Elder generation.
elder generations. So have you like ever like feel like that this generation still have that affection to like towards those handmade products, or like do you remember any moments where you like have shared your like creations to your grandparents?
तो मेरा जो ग्रैंड मदर है वो 5 साल पहले गुजर गए थे. तो वी यूज्ड टू मेक सम क्ले dolls. Like I used to play with my amma, and we used to make जो प्रदीप होता है तो एंड डॉल्स होता है, तो वो सब हम लोग बनाते थे. तो अगर वो रहते थे अभी तो मैं जरूर उनको एक क्रोशे जो डॉल है मेरा वो गिफ्ट करती थी. एंड टेलिंग अबाउट ग्रैंड मदर के जनरेशन में ये सब बहुत होता था, लेकिन अभी जो जनरेशन है वह लाइक वी often see that people are gifting somebody like handmade things, or me myself do like get
Getting
handmade
for the
glitters or
personalized touch to it, yes.
So I do think that people are enjoying this a lot to this.
So, like from the perspective of being a businesswoman, from the other side, do you think like you get a lot of queries or quirky customizations ki mere liye ye bana do, mere liye wo bana do, and how do you feel taking those? I know it for a fact because I have given you quirky orders, but like from your POV, I want to know like how does it feel to like take those comments and like stand up to the expectation of somebody else?
So अभी के लिए अगर मैं कुछ भी कस्टमाइज कर रही हूँ तो वो क्या होता है कि कुछ नया सीख रही हूँ ना. अभी तो चालू के दिन है, तो अगर कोई भी कोई चीज को कस्टमाइज करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं तो वो मेरे लिए एक लाइक मैं कुछ नया सीख रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन समटाइम्स पीपल लाइक go crazy about their customization, so I do feel like बस बंद हो अभी मत बोलो कुछ.
Like yeah, people like when you like expect or when you like get orders, like I can share this feeling like not getting orders, but being a journalist, when someone tells you like do this, do this, sometimes you get so excited, I'm finally doing my work, people are telling me to do this, they expect me to do this much good. Like when they like start telling like इतना करना है उतना करना है, then you like अब नहीं हो रहा,
too much, yeah.
एक्सपेक्टेशन कुछ ज्यादा हो रही है, डिमांड भी कुछ ज्यादा हो रही है, आप बस सोचो नहीं. But you are talking about support system recently, so we are also telling like it's very important to have a like good support system. So you also name a few people, but still can you like if you have like one name to say like your biggest support system, like you know like for right in 5 minutes if you have something very important to do, you will call this person. Who is that?
Okay, so as I'm doing this business with my mom, so I have to take her name. Like she is the biggest support system for me, for my family and everything. She used to make crochet things with umbrella hook. Like first, when she was 17 or 18, she used to break the umbrella hook and she used to bend that hook and she used to make crochet like items. And as I have seen her journey throughout, so it's
very inspiring.
Yeah, so she is the biggest support system for me.
Do you aspire to be like your mother, or do you want to be better than her? Controversial. She would be proud if you are better than her.
Mamas are always proud. Mamas always want that.
Yes.
मुझसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी बनी.
True.
So Devavati, like before the shoot, we were like discussing, we were talking about like your orders. You said that finally you have done a like
International order. Yeah.
So like now when you're like seeing the success, but it's a very like the most proud part of the like this journey. But like every coin has like two sides. So even now you're seeing the success that have there been any moment where you will have been like you are feeling very down, or you felt like no अब नहीं होगा मुझसे.
I do feel that because it's very important to surround yourself with people who will support you, will encourage you, but sometimes you will meet people like who will not that supporting or something like that. So I do feel bad or low sometimes, but after I will see my mom or dad or someone who loves me, so I do feel like that I have to do that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about other people's comments.
So Devavati, like before the shoot, we were like discussing, we were talking about like your orders. You said that finally you have done a like
international order. Yeah.
So like now when you're like seeing the success, but it's a very like the most proud part of the like this journey. But like every coin has like two sides. So even now you're seeing the success that have there been any moment where you will have been like you are feeling very down, or you felt like no अब नहीं होगा मुझसे.
I do feel that because it's very important to surround yourself with people who will support you, will encourage you, but sometimes you will meet people like who will not that supporting or something like that. So I do feel bad or low sometimes, but after I will see my mom or dad or someone who loves me, so I do feel like that I have to do that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about other people's comments. Okay, like how long has it been since you are like doing the business professionally?
Okay, it's a year now. When I was doing like only like passionately. I have started that in 2017. I told that, yeah, but as business, it has started in 2024.
So it's pretty recent still.
Yes.
How did you get your first order?
Okay, so Ashmita Datta, Ashmita has told me that you have to make a bag for me, tote bag, and that will be colored like red and pink. Okay, so I was thinking like I can make this. Like I've never tried something like that. So I searched in
Pinterest.
No, I searched in YouTube.
Oh,
Okay. So I've learned how to make a love or something a square. So after that, when I finished that bag, like I was feeling
Very-
so good. Like I have made it. I have made something like so beautiful. So I felt so good then.
Yeah,
was
I've
it
seen
like
that bag.
pride or was it joy or was it both?
It was both.
It was
Yeah.
both. Like when we first saw that bag on like Insta, on her
Yeah,
profile,
Yes.
we immediately shared it on our group and we were like discussing, wow, I like so Pinterest, so the bag it is.
Thank you.
Crochet things in general are very eye-catchy. I
Yes.
feel like they're very eye-catchy because they're like very unique in their own space. Like you mentioned about Ashmita and her first bag which you made. So how did like that lead to other orders and eventually turning it into business? I want to know the whole journey.
Okay. So फर्स्ट अगर बोलेंगे तो जब मैंने अश्मिता का बैग बनाया था तो तभी मेरा एक फ्रेंड है बेस्ट फ्रेंड सो उन्होंने बोला कि तुम तो ये बिजनेस की तरह भी कर सकते हो ना तो मैंने सोचा हाँ ये तो सही बात है ना ये तो सही बात है उसमें मनी भी आएगा सो उस बैग से लेकर ही मेरा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ है तो मैंने वो बैग ही फर्स्ट दिन जो व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस है उसमें डाल दिया था कि ऐसा ऐसा प्राइस है कोई लेगा तो लेगा नहीं लेगा तो मेरा बिजनेस बंद हो जाएगा तो ऐसे ही था तो फिर दो लोगों ने मुझे ऑर्डर किया था आई रिमेम्बर कि मुझे ये बैग चाहिए लेकिन
अलग
ऑल्टरनेटिव कोई कलर होगा तो अच्छा रहता तो मैंने एक ब्राउन और बेज कलर का एक लव क्रोशे बैग ही बनाया था तो वो भी मेरा मोस्ट डिमांडिंग अभी तक है तो वैसे ही शुरू हुआ
नाइस इट्स सो ग्रेट दैट इट्स बीन अ ईयर एंड जर्नी इतनी अच्छी तरीके से फ्लरिश कर रही है you recently mentioned like you got an international order. How did that happen? Like how did you expand internationally?
Okay, so one of my friend Disha Sengupta, her aunt called me and told me that I have to give someone a present, so can you make a bag for me? So I told her yes for sure. So I have made a grey and red color crochet bag and I thought she will only use or she will give it to someone who will stay here only. So she later told me that तुमको पता है तुम्हारा बैग अभी अमेरिका में है तो मैंने सोचा वाह क्या कर दिया मैंने मेरा बैग अमेरिका चला गया so I feel so good then.
How do you see, do you have vision of like expanding this beyond where it is right now?
Yes, I'm doing some exhibitions now, so I'm thinking to convert into a full-time business and like I have to make it a brand. I have to. So वैसे ही चल रहा है तो चलने दीजिए जैसा फ्लो जा रहा है चलने दीजिए ऐसा ही है.
Okay, so like there are a lot of people who are gifting their loved ones like this handmade products through you, which is like a God's blessing. But like, do you remember any moments when you have got any handmade products and how did you feel at that moment?
Okay. I love getting some handmade things. Many years ago, when I have a trio, then Ashmita only made a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोलाज जो
फोटो,
हाँ वो बनाया था. तो वो अभी तक मेरे घर में ही है, लेकिन जो उसमें पर्सन है वो अभी तक मेरे लाइफ में नहीं है. तो मैं बहुत ही संभाल के रखती हूँ. अगर तुम मुझे कुछ भी दे रहे हो लाइक हैंडमेड, वो मैं बहुत संभाल के रखूंगी. ऐसे ही हूँ मैं.
Should be like that.
Like a handmade products, it has some like different kind of
Yeah,
reaction.
it has a personal
Like even if you write a letter in a paper
True,
and
true.
like
even a small note, I feel
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
counts. So it has that little personal essence.
yeah.
True.
Okay, so Devarati, have you had like a very bad moment with a customer? Like you were like, oh, I don't want to do this.
Yes, I do have that. Okay, so should I?
It's fine.
That means it was
It's
horrible.
fine. If the shoe fits you, Cinderella.
Yeah.
Very.
So my brother's ex ordered something like a daisy bouquet, and after giving that to her, she told me like, ये तो पूरा ही broken है, इसमें कुछ भी ठीक नहीं है, ये सब अलग है, जो फ्लावर है वो अलग है. मैंने सोचा ये क्या मुझसे जो होता है ना रिवेंज ले रहा है कि मेरा भाई ने अगर छोड़ दिया तो मुझसे रिवेंज लेगा. तो ऐसा हुआ था. तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है, रिटर्न करके मैं फिर से बना के देती हूँ. तो मैंने वो किया, फिर से मैंने
वो
दिया.
एक्चुअली टूटा हुआ था कि
नहीं, वो पूरा जो पेपर है, अगर कोई स्कूटी में ऐसे 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 जो प्रेजेंट बॉयफ्रेंड है उसका, तो वो स्कूटी में सामने जो जगह होता है ना मूव करने के, वो लेके ऐसे 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 जा रहा था. तो वो जंप कर रहा था ऐसे ऐसे. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्या ये खुद से किया है या मेरे हाथ से ही हो गया है. तो मैंने ठीक करके फिर से भेजा. एंड अगेन शी वॉज टेलिंग मी कि ये फिर से टूटा है, मुझे और एक नया चाहिए. मैंने बोला रुको बहन, मुझे और नहीं करना है तुम्हारे साथ ये बिजनेस मुझे नहीं करना है. तो तुम छोड़ दो, मेरा जो फ्लावर है मुझे लौटा दो, मैं रख लूंगी, वो दूसरा कोई ले लेगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. तो वो बोल रही थी नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे तो चाहिए, अभी के अभी चाहिए, मेरा पापा का जन्मदिन है तो मुझे अभी चाहिए. तो मैंने सोचा कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, यह सब तो पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि ठीक है, मैं एक बार ट्राई करती हूँ, अगर टूटा होगा तो तुम खुद आओ, खुद आके ले जाओ. तो वो बोल रहे कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड ही जाएगा, वो ही लेके आएगा. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, फिर से मैंने किया है
3 बार.
हाँ 3 बार. थर्ड टाइम when I was making that, I got a message that मुझे ना नहीं लेना है. And I was like, क्यों कर रहे हो मेरे साथ ऐसा, क्यों? Like that is the horrible situation for me at least.
So what happened to that? Like, did you give her a refund?
No. मैं तो एडवांस नहीं लेती हूँ. तो मैंने
ऐसे ही 3 बार बना दिया.
I blocked her and
Did you report her account?
रिपोर्ट में क्या होता है भाई? FIR करो इसे.
रिपोर्ट में वो ऑप्शन आता है ना,
Harassing.
वो ऑप्शन.
I should have done that.
This is bad. Like this is really bad.
My God.
Like मेरा भाई का जो सब कुछ था
हाँ,
मेरे में हो गया.
इसीलिए बोलते पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल को अलग रखो.
Did you talk to your brother about this? Like,
Why did you not tell him? You should have told him. फिर वो जाकर बदला
टूट
लेगा.
जाएगा. तो मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड ऐसा करता.
oh my God. Oh my God.
Like we talked about having a bad experience.
Yes.
What is the most apart from the Ashmita incident, what is the most beautiful like incident that you have when you have taken an order? The most special one.
Okay, so someone ordered me for her daughter, and she was blind, and like her mother is blind,
Okay.
and she ordered herself for her daughter. So I never known that she is blind, and after 2 to 3 months I have seen her profile, and I've like read a quote, नहीं
Caption.
क्या बोलते हैं
Bio.
इसको, bio, yeah, and there was telling that I'm blind and I'm कुछ उनको कुछ क्यूआर में जो पैसा भेजते हैं ना,
हाँ, donation.
हाँ, डोनेशन का कुछ है. तो मैंने जब देखा वो, आई गॉट सो इमोशनल, लाइक मेरे से अगर वो देख भी नहीं सकते, राइट. सो अगर लाइक उनका डॉटर ही होता है कि ऑर्डर दिया होगा, मुझे पता नहीं हो, लेकिन अगर कोई मेरे से कुछ नहीं भी देख के वो ले रहे, दैट इज सो स्पेशल टू मी, लाइक सो स्पेशल.
That's very lovely. Yeah.
So like you have like most of your business to social media. So do you think that social media plays like a huge role in nowadays small businesses?
Yeah, nowadays it is all about social media. Like if you are only posting on WhatsApp status, it will never go viral or something like that. So if you are posting on Instagram or ले लो कि YouTube पे post कर रहे हो, तो there is high chance that it will
People outside your
yeah,
proximity will see it.
yes, it will go higher, or you will get viral someday. It has a lot more chance to have that in Instagram or Facebook or YouTube.
And so like okay, so let's move on for the last question, as we always lack on time. So like 10 years later from now on, if you had to take a trip, then what would be it like for like a trip for any kind of like job or any kind of thing, or a trip for business?
Okay.
What would like 32-year-old Deborah would prefer?
Always a business
Trip.
yes,
Business trip.
yes, to like, will I say it? No.
Don't say
रहने
it.
रहने देते हैं.
हाँ, नजर वजर की बात है.
रहने देते हैं.
Nazar is real.
Yes. No nazar, no nazar.
Aura cleansing. Okay, final question, Devarati. I would like to ask you and end this episode here by asking, what does 22-year-old Devarati want to say to 15-year-old Devarati and 35-year-old Devarati?
So, to my 15-year-old Devarati, I want to say that तुमने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, जो किसी ने भी देखा भी नहीं है. तो अभी मेहनत का फल अगर मिल रहा है तो ले लो, दिल खोल के ले लो. And to my 30-year-old Devarati, I'm so much proud of you. Whatever you are doing, like तुमने बहुत कुछ देखा है, फेस किया है, तो अभी जहाँ पे हो, बस
Enjoy that.
that phase and enjoy.
It's very cute. Okay, Devarati, I think that was a very lovely episode with you. Did you enjoy?
Yes, so much. And we have a plan.
We have a plan. It's a secret, guys.
Yeah.
We just discussed it. Hopefully, inshallah, we can.
Ah, you're
It
smiling
will
a
happen.
lot.
It will happen.
That was a very, very, very lovely episode, Devarati.
It was
Hearing,
lovely to have
yeah,
you here.
Thank you
Very
so much
heartwarming.
for having me in this beautiful and comfortable couch. Thank you so much.
any parting words that you have for us?
Okay.
Say something nice.
Okay, so we are very, very good. Like Manali
Coffee is very nice.
Yeah, very nice. We are sipping it from very first. So, and Manali's home is very nice, very comfortable. Like, they are genuinely very, very nice to people. Like, they don't even know me for long, and they are behaving with me
We
like
are already best friends.
So they are very, 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 very nice.
You say something about me also. You said about Manali. We are kidding, guys. It was mess.
I'm always the main character.
No, first time when I was I saw you at Barakpur station. I was like, ये तो बहुत pretty है.
And वो भीड़ में दूर से
नहीं, he's very cute.
देवरती, I had ordered something from her and वो uncle के साथ आई मुझे चीजें. She was smiling. She had like this gigantic smile on. Then I got intimidated कि भाई ये लड़की इतनी cheerful है, इतनी like वो हंस के इतनी बात कर रही थी ना, मैं confused कि मुझे हंसना चाहिए, क्या बोलना चाहिए, क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए. But yeah, that was my first meeting with her, and I have this thing called judging people by their first like face-to-face appearance, and I had a genuinely good like review about her, and I knew that she's a very sweet girl.
What
And
was your review for me?
you were a bitch. This is true. I'm not lying. When I met Manali for the first time, I thought she's going, and I've told this to her also. And I thought she's going to be one of the last people I would be friends with in my college life. Same goes with Swarupa. I did not think I would ever be friends with them.
Me and Swarupa were like the best buddies from the beginning, and then we joined them.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, not all first impressions are true, clearly, but it was lovely.
But in my case,
It was lovely having you, and it is lovely to know you as a
Thank
person.
you
Also,
so much.
please go follow Yarn Basket on Instagram and do order lot of stuff from Devarati. She's again very good at her job, and I think yeah, we would like to wrap the episode here today.
Absolutely.
Please don't forget to
Like, comment, share,
And subscribe the Scoop Sisters.
and please take care of yourselves. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye.